Welcome to English Learning Time. This lesson is for beginner English learners. Please listen carefully. You can pause the audio if you need more time. Let us begin. David was a young man. He lived in a small and quiet town. David worked in a grocery store. Every day he sold fruit and vegetables. David was not rich, but he was kind and friendly. Every morning, David opened the store at 7 o'clock. He cleaned the floor. He arranged the fruit on the table. Many people liked David. They liked his smile. They liked his kindness. But David had a problem. David could not speak English well. Sometimes foreign customers came to the store. They asked questions in English. David felt nervous. He did not understand them. He felt shy and afraid to speak. At night, David thought about his future. He said to himself, "I want to learn English. English can help me." Now, let us learn some new words. Grocery store. A grocery store is a place where people buy food. David works in a grocery store. Kind. Kind means nice and helpful. David is kind to customers. Foreign. Foreign means from another country. Foreign customers visit the store. Nervous. Nervous means worried or afraid. David feels nervous when he speaks English. Future. Future means the time after today. David thinks about his future. The next day, David made a decision. He decided to study English every day. After work, David went home. He was tired, but he did not sleep. He opened his English book. He listened to simple English lessons. At first, English was very difficult. David forgot many words. He made many mistakes. Sometimes, he felt disappointed. But David did not stop. Every day, he learned 3 new words. Only 3 words. He wrote them in a notebook. He read them in the morning. He read them at night. Slowly, David began to understand more English. Now, let us learn more new words. Decision. A decision is a choice you make. David made a decision to learn English. Tired. Tired means you need rest. David is tired after work. Mistake. A mistake is something wrong you do. Making mistakes is normal when learning. Disappointed. Disappointed means feeling sad about something. David felt disappointed sometimes. Slowly. Slowly means not fast. David learned English slowly. After 6 months, something changed. One morning, a foreign customer came to the store. The customer asked, "Do you have fresh apples?" David listened carefully. He understood the question. David answered slowly, "Yes, the apples are fresh." The customer smiled. David felt happy. He felt proud of himself. From that day, David was not afraid anymore. He continued learning English, every day, step by step. David learned an important lesson. Big success does not come quickly. Big success comes from small effort every day. Now, repeat after me. I am learning English every day. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Small steps help me improve. English can change my future. I believe in myself. Thank you for listening. Please listen again to improve your English. Practice every day. Learning English takes time, but you can do it. See you in the next lesson.